We recently did a video explaining about the Mark III and how to set it up and to do square cuts. And I demonstrated that on a video which is in YouTube. I'll put the link into the description on this video. But a couple of comments were made in regards to the Mark II, which is our predecessor. Sorry, our previous version of the Rail Square. Here's one here now. This is with the cams here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do exactly the same as what I did in the other video. I'm going to set it up and I'm going to do a cut. And then I'm going to demonstrate how square the cut is. I am doing it on a 1220 board and I'm using a Festool track. You can tell by the green cams. As you can see over on the wall here, we did have other versions where you had DeWalt, Makita and Bosch. So as you can see here now, I've got the cams here and I've got them flat against here, so allow the track to go in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just slide the track in as I normally would, and most people who have got one of these tracks would know. And I'm just going to push the cam to the outer edge. Make sure it's nice and tight. For those that have this, you've got this little anti-tip slot here, or anti-tip bar, and going to put it on. So what a lot of people don't seem to or get or understand is there is a friction strip underneath here. So this friction strip, you know, causes drag. So you just got to make sure that you push the square in and make sure you get your square in here. And as you can see here, I'm making sure that that's nice and flat against that reference edge, like our previous video. So once again, put that in there. I'm now going to do a cut. I haven't made a line, but you can make a line if you need to. So I'm just going to do a quick cut. So bear with me a sec. So there's my cut complete. So trusty tape measure. So I'm going to put that on here, and my marking is at around about 141.5 there. And over on this side here, I am at 141.5. So once again, a completely square cut. As long as you follow those instructions on making sure that that reference edge on the square is completely against your workpiece, square cuts is all you should get. Thanks for watching.